We have something new from our friends at Super Impulse.
Yes, we do.
Yeah. And they are Hot Wheels pens. This is Series 1.
Uh-huh.
Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today, we have something new from our friends at Super Impulse.
Yes, we do.
Yeah. And they are Hot Wheels pens. This is Series 1.
Uh-huh.
And, well, you know what? What do you say we get right to it and open one of them up?
Yes.
I don't have the trusty fishing knife because we left it downstairs.
Yes, so we're using a whale knife.
Yeah, so we are going to use the razor knife. These all have seals on them. And,
Do you want my nails?
do I need your nails? No, we're good.
Okay.
We're good.
I'll take it out.
You going to take it out? All right, why don't you see if you can take it out.
Way out. I think you might need that.
There you go. Look at that. Oh, wait, what's in there? What's in there?
Oh, Super Impulse.
Yeah, other
It's
cool stuff.
It's the world's smallest.
World's smallest, that's right. They send us lots of cool stuff, huh?
Yeah, that's
And
cool.
they send you lots of cool stuff.
I'm gonna try getting this off with my nails.
So make sure you guys check out.
I think we need the knife again.
We will. Make sure you check out Paisley TV with your little ones because she has lots of Barbie stuff and
I do.
lots of other cool stuff for your youngsters.
Yes.
And of course, it's kid friendly. Wow, they got a lot of cool stuff. All right, we're gonna look at this later. All right?
Okay.
Okay.
And we have to get this out.
Yeah, we have to get this out. So these are pens.
Yeah.
So we're gonna
have to see how we open them.
Figure out how to. That's got plastic thingies on the back of it there. So why don't we just? We're gonna cut it open.
Cut it right up.
We're gonna cut it open with the plastic here,
Yeah.
and I should just use the trusty scissors, huh?
But we don't have them.
Yeah, we do. They're over there.
I know.
All right. So there we go. We got it.
Let's see how you open these.
So.
Oh, I can't open them.
Well, I think it's back here. No, that's not. What's this?
That's just the.
Ah, look. Look at that.
Goodness.
You push the button and it goes like that.
Donk. Donk.
Does it go back in?
Mm.
Huh.
Maybe it pushes it?
I don't know. Let me see.
How it goes in.
You know, the wheels turn, right?
Maybe.
Well, that's cool.
Maybe if you twist this.
Maybe. We think, oh, you got it.
I got it. It goes back in.
Takes a 4-year-old to figure that out, huh?
And then you just have a little pen waiting there.
Yep. So we push that to make it work. I know we can play with them, huh? I can't imagine the trouble kids are going to get into at school with these. Oh, wait a minute. Everybody's home. Homeschooling. Oh, well. But yeah, this is really cool. Look at that.
Yes, and I'm also going to be in kindergarten.
You're going to be in kindergarten next year. I know. So this one here,
Let's open it up.
we have 3 different ones. And
we also have this Hot Wheel one that has the Hot Wheel logo.
yep, got the Hot Wheel logo on it.
Maybe that one will work.
And we're not going to pull this one off of the card.
Let me get it
Let's see.
off of the card.
No, we won't pull it off here. We'll take pictures of it like that.
Nobody
All right.
has to pull it off.
Now does it say the name of these now?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, look at that. Let's see.
It went back in.
Yeah, it went back in. Now these.
How do we open this one up too?
Well, we're gonna open it up definitely, but I want to see if it has a name on it somewhere, so we can tell everybody what its name is. All right.
Hot Wheel pens.
Hot Wheel pens. I know.
You know what colors these are?
Well, that's what I'm wondering. What the
You
names
know what
are.
these colors are.
Yeah.
Hot Rod.
Hot rod. That's the hot rod. Okay. And
And then you have this one that we opened.
yeah.
This is a yellow
There are so many
yellow
names.
body.
Yellow body.
With the green and then the tail And then it has black stripes with the Hot Wheel logo in black and white. And then the little window right there is
the canopy.
Black.
Yep.
And then 2 more black stripes here.
Got a big motor too, huh?
Yes, big motor.
Yep. And it's got...
Let's open this one up.
Oh, we're not going to open it up. That's an Indy car.
We have to get it out, though.
No, we're not going to get them out. We're going to leave them just like this for now.
No.
Then we'll take pictures of them later.
Okay, now it's...
All right, so that's got PR5s on it.
Yes.
And what color is that one?
Orange ring. And the car is blue. And then orange rings in the front. And then it has this little orange window.
Yep. I think that's the driver. Orange plastic driver.
Oh, yeah. It's the orange plastic driver. And then we have this, which is kind of a seat.
Mm-hmm. And that's the exhaust right there.
Yes, and the exhaust is, and then oranges, then orange. And then there's also these stripes.
Okay.
Like the other ones.
All right. And what color is that one?
This one, you need to take it out because I can't really see what color it is.
Oh, you just want to take them out. That's what you want to do. Yeah. What color's the body?
The body is, it's gray with some red stripes on it. It's going down and then up.
And what color is this part down here?
Red.
And the wheels are 5 spokes?
5 spokes black. And then there's gray inside them.
Okay. And that is it. So we want to thank our friends at Super Impulse, because we always mess that up. Super Impulse, for sending them to us so we can show them to you. I'm sure they will be just about everywhere. So this is Series 1. There's 3 of them so far that we got. Check them out.
Yes.
And they are also the people that brought us the world's smallest Hot Wheels and all kinds of different cool world's smallest toys. So thank you very much.
So I have to tell my stuff though. Yes, we enjoy whatever you give to us and whatever.
All right. Also stick around and watch Paisley TV. She has Barbie pens that they sent her, and she's going to be reviewing those also. So thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV from me and Paisley. And please share our videos. Please tell your friends. Please be kind to one another. And again, please check out Paisley TV. Yes. So we will see you later. Bye-bye.